So how can you update your time zone on the iPhone? Let's get started. And if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Okay, a few things to check out. First of all, on your settings, go to the general section and find the date and a time. Of course, if you want this to be updated, turn on the set automatically toggle, make sure it's green, and your phone will know exactly what time it should set. Or you can also just choose it manually when you disable this option and look up a city and choose that to be your current time. However, it still may not work, right? Because there are some other things which are going on. So below in the main settings page, go to the privacy and security and check the location services. So this should generally be turned on for the device to know your time zone, right? Like it needs to know where you are. And also below, you can tap on the system services like that and ensure that the toggle for setting time zone is green and turned on. Because if it's turned off, your phone has the location services enabled, but it cannot use them for the purpose of setting the correct time on your phone, right? So this should be something that you also have turned on. And lastly, check out that you are properly connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or cellular network, so the phone can actually get access to the outside world, right? And just make sure it works and gets the proper time for you. But at the end of the day, it should work. These things should make the time be updated in terms of the time zone. So let me know if it worked. Thanks a lot for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials like this one.